This is a Liu View channel. My name is Martin, and I hope you have a great day. And today we'll make a dish. It's called cucumber fried eggs. As the main ingredient we need 4 eggs and 1 cucumber and 2 or 1 carrots and 2 garlic. And those are the main ingredients we need to use to cook this dish. We cut this cucumber. This cucumber is very fresh. It's from Old Plant Farm, and so we keep the skin on. If it's not fresh, you need to probably peel the skin. So we keep the skin on. We cut it. You cut probably this thing. Slice this thing. Now we cut it. So we cut it like this. So then will be like this. So you can come be like this. Let me see. This is how cucumber look like. What is the carrots? This carrots so we peel it for the skin, the no skin. So we just peel it. And this is I bought it from the Walmart, so this thing looks very fresh. So the skin I peel it. Okay, just cut like this, like this. Yeah, this, and then we just cut like this. So maybe like this. You can see. This will what it look like. Okay, we crack that. Add a pinch of salt, just don't add too much, just a pinch of salt. And black pepper, add a pinch of black pepper, not add too much. Now we mix it. Okay, right now it's good. Cut the garlic. Cut the garlic. To be like this. Look like on the stove, half air. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, add the egg to it. the egg is cooked, we put it turn off the stove and put the egg into the bowl. We use this egg later. Turn on the stove, have air, and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Hot. When it's always hot, and put a piece of not hot, and add the garlic to the oil and fry the garlic. When the garlic flavor released, and add the carrots into it to fry it. That's the carrots. This is the 13 spices, and add a pinch of 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, add 12 spices or just a pinch of black pepper. When the carrots is the most cooked, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster and brand oyster sauce is okay. And fry it. Now add a cucumber to it. And this can of salt. Add a half teaspoon of salt to the fish. Now try the cucumber and the carrots. The carrots cooked. The cucumber becomes soft. Now we add the egg to it and fry it. Now this dish down, we turn off the stove. Put this into a plate. So the cucumber fried dish is all done. This is how it turned out. Hope you like it.